So many enterprises have this misconception that if you want an agent to do a complex task, you need to train it or fine tune it or do some sort of complex programming projects. And that was been true in sort of the history of AI. But these days, is almost anyone can actually teach an agent to do almost any sort of task. How do you then get an agent to do these complex tasks? You just tell it. And you tell it in the form of natural language. Agents these days are sophisticated enough to be able to follow even long and complex instructions. And so a format has emerged as like a standard way to do this, which is what people call skill. One of the nice things about these skills are that they're just very easy for anybody to create. And it's a very similar way that you would create instructions for a person, which would be that you basically write down the set of steps that you want. Like imagine if you had an employee who came in and you gave them like a document that was like, this is all the different instructions, this is the style, this is the tone, this is the steps of things you need to do to complete this task. You can give that to an agent. The agent will load the skill, be able to read through it, and then be able to execute your task. And as for something like Box, our agents not only support the direct ability to run skills, but then also the ability for you to share them and run them in other third-party agents like OpenAI or Anthropic. And the agent will then go find the skill or the playbook, read through it, and run the task. So an example of this might be if you were a financial institution and you wanted to sort of review a proposal that would go to one of your clients, you could run your review proposal skill. Skills are a great way to sort of take the expertise and the knowledge of your organization and then encapsulate it into these playbooks that anyone in your company can run via these agents.